Hello, friends. Welcome to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I'm going to explain all English tenses in a simple and clear way. We will start with the present tenses in English. These tenses are very important because we use them every day in speaking, writing, reading, and understanding English. In this lesson, we will learn the 4 present tenses: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Let's begin. First, present simple. We use the present simple for habitual actions, daily routines, general truths, and regular activities. The rule is subject plus base verb. And for he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, I plays football every day. You study English. He works in a bank. She speaks English fluently. It rains a lot here. We go to school daily. They watch TV in the evening. Next, present continuous. We use the present continuous for actions happening now or around the present time. The rule is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing. For example, I am studying English. You are playing football. He is writing an email. She is cooking dinner. It is raining heavily. We are watching a movie. They are talking now. This tense helps us describe actions happening at this moment. Now, present perfect. We use the present perfect for actions completed at some time in the past with a result in the present. The rule is subject plus have or has plus past participle, also called verb 3 or V3. For example, I have finished my work. You have seen this movie. He has eaten lunch. She has learned English. It has stopped working. We have met before. They have traveled to Canada. This tense connects the past with the present. Finally, present perfect continuous. We use this tense for actions that started in the past and continue until now or recently stopped. The rule is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. For example, I have been studying for 2 hours. You have been running since morning. He has been working since 2019. She has been waiting for you. It has been raining all day. We have been practicing cricket for hours. They have been talking for an hour. This tense focuses on the duration of an activity. Now, I will explain the past tenses in English. These tenses are very important because we use them when we talk about actions and events that happened in the past. In this lesson, we will learn the 4 past tenses: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Let's begin. First, past simple. We use the past simple for completed actions in the past, finished events, and past habits. The rule is subject plus verb in past form, V2. For regular verbs, we add ed, and for irregular verbs, we use the second form of the verb. For example, I played football. You ate breakfast at 8 a.m. He wrote a book. She spoke English fluently. It rained in the monsoon. We went to school daily. They watched TV in the evening. This tense is the most common way to talk about the past. Next, past continuous. We use the past continuous for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past or were in progress. The rule is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. For example, I was studying English. You were playing football. He was writing. She was writing. It was raining heavily. We were speaking. They were watching TV. This tense helps us describe actions that were not finished in the past at a specific moment. Now, past perfect. We use the past perfect for actions that were completed before another action in the past. The rule is subject plus had plus past participle, or V3. For example, I had finished my work. You had seen this movie. He had eaten lunch. She had learned English. It had stopped working. We had met him before. They had traveled to Canada. This tense shows the earlier of two past actions. Finally, past perfect continuous. We use this tense for actions that were ongoing for some time before another action in the past. The rule is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. For example, I had been studying for 7 hours. You had been running since morning. He had been working since 2018. She had been waiting for you. It had been raining all day. We had been practicing cricket for hours. They had been talking for hours. This tense focuses on the duration of an action before another past event. Now, I will explain the future tenses in English. These tenses are very important because we use them to talk about plans, predictions, and actions that will happen in the future. In this lesson, we will learn the 4 future tenses: future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let's begin. First, future simple. We use the future simple for decisions made at the moment, predictions, and promises. The rule is subject plus will plus base verb, V1. For example, I will play football. You will have breakfast at 8 a.m. He will write a book. She will speak English fluently. It will rain tomorrow. We will go to school every day. They will watch TV in the evening. This tense is the most basic way to talk about the future. Next, future continuous. We use the future continuous for actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. The rule is subject plus will be plus verb ing. For example, I will be studying English. You will be playing football. He will be writing. She will be working. It will be raining heavily. We will be speaking. They will be watching TV. This tense shows an action that will be happening at a future time. Now, future perfect. We use the future perfect for actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. The rule is subject plus will have plus past participle, V3. For example, I will have finished my work. You will have seen this movie. He will have eaten lunch. She will have learned English. It will have stopped raining. We will have met him before. They will have traveled to Canada. This tense shows completion before a future moment. Finally, future perfect continuous. We use this tense for actions that will have been continuing for a period of time before a future point. The rule is subject plus will have been plus verb ing. For example, I will have been studying for 2 hours. You will have been playing since morning. He will have been working all day. She will have been waiting for hours. It will have been raining all night. We will have been practicing for weeks. They will have been talking for hours. This tense focuses on the duration of an action in the future.